Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. Also, if you have your charging lead, I'll stick your charging lead in here the right way round, stick your charging lead in there, plug it into your phone, and then there you go, Apple CarPlay. Remember, for this device, I'm not going to do that at the moment because I'm going to show you how you do it. Apple CarPlay, and that's it. Far better than just Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. You've just got your phone on your screen here. Now that is actually when it's plugged into the charging lead. I have been sent this Play to Video Pro autocast. Once you couple this up, not only can you watch Netflix and YouTube, but it is then Bluetooth as well. So as soon as you get in, you have this in the car. As soon as you get in, your phone connects with this, and then you don't have to plug it in. So I'll show you that later. I'll do a proper video on that and show you how to do it. But it's just fantastic, Apple CarPlay. If you want to send a message, all you do, let's see, where's the voice activation? Voice activation is here, so for 2 seconds, send a message to Barry.
What would you like to say to Barry?
John's left the door open in the cabin again when you were just going out. You better close it.
It says, John's left the door open in the cabin again when you were just going out. You better close it. Do you want to send it or change it?
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see there that a message has come up. There's a 1 there. You can't touch your phone. You can't read the message. You want to know what the message was. So again, voice activation. Read messages.
Barry said John's left the door open in the cabin again when you were just going out. You better close it. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
Thanks, John. Right, let's get going again. If you want to call somebody, voice activation button, 2 seconds. Just get out of here. Voice activation button, 2 seconds here. Call Barry.
Calling Barry. iPhone.
You see there, it's calling me. It'll go to answer phone.
Barry. Sorry, I can't.
Go to answer phone because I'm calling my own phone. So there you go. It's that easy. You want to go somewhere. You're driving. It's happened to me on several occasions where I've been on the road. I need to go somewhere. I've been on the motorway. You can't stop and program your sat nav. And it's dangerous to do so. So all you need to do, 2 seconds on voice activation, navigate to Manchester Airport.
Getting directions to Manchester Airport.
Although go comes up there, you don't have to press it. It will just assume that you didn't just say that for the fun of it. And we're now navigating to Manchester Airport. I can also share my ETA. If I'm meeting somebody there, I can share my ETA with them so they know and they can see on the map where I am. It's brilliant. You're on the way to Manchester Airport, you fancy a Starbucks, you need a coffee. Take me to Starbucks.
One possibility I see is Starbucks on Sheep Hill Lane in Chorley. It adds 7 minutes to your route. How about that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
So it's now taking me to Starbucks and then onto, it's added another stop. So if I wanted to pick somebody up, you'd set it to go to Manchester Airport and then set it to the person who you want to pick up on the way. And you go the shortest route. So that's, you know, you listen to audiobooks, you can do anything. But in the meantime, this, there you go, you switch that on. You've got all your music. If you want to play a track, if you want to play music, for instance, again, 2 seconds, shuffle music. If you want to play a single track, a track that you know, play Paint the Town Red.
Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat now playing on Apple Music.
Just like anything these days, the only good new things are the ones where they bring up the old things. Old record dead, Dean Warwick. So it's just, the Apple CarPlay system is fantastic.